Dear friends, once again welcome to WordPress tutorial series. In this video, I'll show you how to make a slider for a WordPress website. So after watching this video, you will be able to make different kind of slider for a WordPress site. So let's get started. So at first, we need to download a plugin. To download that plugin, go to browser address bar and type smartslider3.com. Then you will find a website like this. Now click on get it now. Now click on download page. Then click download again. Now click this link. No thanks, I just want to download. After completing download, now we need to install plugin on our site. So let's go to our site dashboard. Now click on plugins. Now click on add new. Then click on upload plugin. Now we need to drag and drop our plugin. Go to our download folder and to just drag this plugin here. Now click on install now. Now you can see our plugin has installed successfully. Click on activate plugin. So now you can see our plugin has installed and activated successfully. Let's create a new slider for our website. To create a slider, now click on this smart slider. So here you can see they have given you two options. You can create your new slider or you can choose from their template library. Let's click the template library. Now if you click on free, you will get many pre-designed free template here. Let's click this one. Now you can see they will show you live, how it will be look like. If you like this slider, then click this one and click on import. Now click on get free slider. You can see we got 3 slider for our website. If you want to see preview, click this button. Here you can see how it will be look like in different devices. So we have created a slider for our website. Now we need to add this slider to our website. Let's close this one and go to our site. Now select your location, where you want to show this slider. If you want to show this slider to your home page, now click on home. Then click edit with Elementor. Suppose we want to add slider above this section. So click on plus icon. Now find the smart slider widget. You can see smart slider. Just drag it here. Now I will select the slider I have created. So click this slider. And that's it. You can see our slider already added to our website. Let's save it by clicking this update option. Let's go to our website. So let's go to final step. Now we need to change our text, image and this button. To modify this slider, click on smart slider, then edit slider, click this one. So you can see here are 3 slider that we have created. To edit any slider, click on this edit button. So if you want to edit any section or any part or any text, just click that part and start typing. Suppose you can change it anytime. Same way you can change any link. Suppose see more and put your link here. Same way you can change this image. Click this image and you can choose your background image. If you have any image, just upload your image and finally click on select. So it's very easy. You can customize your own slider as you like. So after finishing all this work, just click on save. So let's go to our site. You can see all the changes have saved. So guys, this is all for today. In my next video, I will come with new WordPress tutorial. So always stay with us. Thank you for watching.